Prepare to unlock an unexpected secret to indoor gardening, a way to transform even the smallest corner of your home into a lush, vibrant oasis. Whether you live in a spacious house or a cozy apartment, you can create your own private retreat filled with greenery and life. These indoor gardens not only beautify your living space, but also offer a surprising bounty of fresh produce and fragrant foliage. Imagine the joy of harvesting your own vegetables or herbs right from your living room while enjoying the calming presence of nature all year round. Picture this. In the heart of November, when the world outside is cold and gray, a plant with deep green leaves and stunning jewel-toned fruit thrives right on your windowsill. The contrast of vibrant life against the winter backdrop is truly magical. The beauty of an eggplant, with its glossy purple skin and elegant shape, brings an unexpected pop of life and color to your home. It's more than just a vegetable. It's a living sculpture, a conversation starter, and a symbol of creativity. There's something deeply rewarding about nurturing a plant from a tiny seed into a beautiful edible harvest. Watching it grow day by day, knowing you played a part in its journey, is a feeling that's hard to beat. It connects you to nature, even indoors. We're not just growing food, we're creating a living piece of art that evolves with the seasons. Each plant becomes a unique expression of your care and style, adding personality and warmth to your home. Let's explore how choosing the perfect ornamental vessel can turn a simple plant into a true statement piece, elevating your space and making your indoor garden a source of pride and inspiration for everyone who visits. There's nothing quite like the surprise of seeing a beautiful eggplant growing indoors. The deep purple fruit, soft lavender blossoms, and sturdy green leaves create a palette that's both earthy and elegant. It's a living work of art, especially when the garden outside is asleep. Place it in a vessel with character, and it becomes a curated piece of your home's story. On a bookshelf or kitchen counter, it inspires and delights. An indoor eggplant adds texture, life, and a unique, personal touch to your space. Let's find the perfect spot and bring this wonderful plant into our homes. Choosing the right eggplant variety is absolutely key for indoor gardening success. Not all eggplants are created equal, especially when it comes to growing them inside your home. Some varieties are simply better suited to the unique conditions of indoor spaces, such as limited light, smaller containers, and less airflow. By picking the right type, you'll set yourself up for a thriving, beautiful plant that produces delicious fruit right in your living room or kitchen. Look for compact or dwarf types like Fairy Tale or Hansel. They're not only beautiful and productive, but their smaller size makes them perfect for pots and windowsills. These varieties are bred to thrive in containers, so you won't have to worry about them outgrowing your space. Fairy Tale offers stunning violet skins with delicate white stripes, adding a decorative touch to your indoor garden, while Hansel produces deep purple, finger-sized fruits that are perfect for snacking or cooking. Both are known for their tender texture and mild flavor, making them favorites among indoor gardeners. Ornamental varieties like patio versions of Black Beauty or unique white types such as Casper and Gretel are also excellent choices. These not only provide a harvest, but their striking appearance can double as living decor, brightening up any room. Smaller fruited varieties generally do much better indoors and tend to be more tender and flavorful. Their compact growth means you can fit more plants in your space, and they're easier to care for and harvest. Always check for words like compact, patio, or container-friendly on the seed packet or plant label. These terms are your best indicators that the variety will adapt well to indoor life and won't overwhelm your space. The right variety means a steady harvest of fresh eggplants and a plant that truly fits your personal style and home environment. You'll enjoy both the look and the taste. Take your time to choose colors and shapes that bring you joy. Eggplants come in a surprising range of hues and forms, from classic purple to creamy white, and even striped or round varieties. Selecting your eggplant variety is the first creative step in your indoor garden story. With the right choice, you'll enjoy a rewarding and beautiful harvest all year long. The container is just as important as the plant. Drainage is essential. Make sure your pot has at least one good-sized hole. If your dream pot lacks a hole, you can often drill one yourself. Eggplants need space. Start with a pot at least 5 gallons in size. Terracotta breathes and develops a lovely patina, while glazed ceramic or plastic holds moisture longer. Choose a vessel that matches your style: vintage, modern, rustic. The pot frames your living artwork. Pick something functional, beautiful, and a joy to see every day. Let's make your eggplant's home as special as the plant itself. Your pot should reflect your home's unique style. For modern farmhouse, try aged terracotta or galvanized metal buckets. Just add drainage holes. Minimalist? Go for a clean-lined ceramic planter in a solid color. Bohemian or eclectic? Choose hand-painted ceramics or use a woven basket as a cache pop. Mix and match textures and colors to create a look that's uniquely you. Think outside the box. Old enamelware or vintage crates can work with a little creativity. The key is finding a vessel that fits your space and makes you happy. Choosing the pot is part of the creative process. Let's get planning. Use a high-quality potting mix designed for containers. Never garden soil. For seeds, plant 2 or 3 about a 1/4 inch deep, thin to the strongest seedling later. For seedlings, gently loosen the roots and plant at the same soil level. Fill in with soil, press lightly, and water until it drains from the bottom. This settles the roots and quenches the plant's thirst. Place your pot in a sunny spot. Now, watch the magic begin. Eggplants are sun-loving plants, and when grown indoors, they need plenty of bright, direct sunlight to truly flourish. Aim to provide your eggplant with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every single day. Without enough light, your plant may become leggy, weak, and less likely to produce healthy fruit. The best spot for your indoor eggplant is right next to a south-facing window, where it can soak up the most sunlight. To encourage even growth and prevent your plant from leaning toward the light, rotate the pot every few days. This simple step helps your eggplant grow straight and strong. If your home doesn't get enough natural sunlight, don't worry. You can supplement with a full-spectrum LED grow light, which mimics the sun's rays. Keep the light on for 12 to 14 hours each day, placing it just a few inches above the plant for best results. When it comes to watering, eggplants prefer soil that's consistently moist but never soggy. Check the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Avoid sticking to a rigid schedule, as indoor conditions can change with the seasons. Always water thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain out the bottom of the pot. This encourages the roots to grow deep and strong, which is essential for a healthy, productive plant. About a month after planting, start feeding your eggplant with a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer. Apply it every 2 to 3 weeks to provide the nutrients your plant needs for steady growth and fruit development. Regular feeding gives your plant the energy it needs to produce beautiful, healthy fruit. Remember, consistency and care is the secret to success with indoor eggplants. Pay close attention to your plant's appearance and growth. Adjust your care routine as needed. More water during hot spells or extra light in winter months. Every plant is unique, so learning its signals is important. With patience, observation, and a little extra attention, your indoor eggplant can thrive and reward you with delicious homegrown produce right from your windowsill. Even with care, challenges can arise. Watch for pests like aphids or spider mites. Wipe them off or use insecticidal soap if needed. Yellowing leaves. It could be natural aging, overwatering, or a nutrient issue. Adjust your routine accordingly. Lots of flowers but no fruit? Indoor plants need help with pollination. Gently shake the plant or use a soft brush to transfer pollen between flowers. Stay observant and respond quickly to issues. Most problems have simple solutions. With a little attention, your plant will stay healthy and productive. Harvesting is the reward for your care. Look for deep, uniform color and a glossy shine on the fruit. A ripe eggplant feels firm with a slight give, like a ripe peach. Don't wait for huge size. Smaller, tender fruits are best. Check your plant daily as fruits develop. Use color and feel, not just size, to judge ripeness. Harvest at the peak for the best flavor. Enjoy the satisfaction of your homegrown bounty. Time to harvest. Use sharp shears to snip the fruit, leaving a bit of stem attached. Appreciate the weight and beauty of your first indoor eggplant. Use it right away for the freshest flavor, or store in the fridge unwashed for a few days. Simple preparations are best. Slice, brush with olive oil, season, and grill or roast. Enjoy as a side, with pasta, or on crusty bread with mozzarella and basil. The taste is pure and satisfying, garden to table at its best. Every bite is a celebration of your effort. Share your harvest with family or friends. It makes the meal and the moment truly special. Your indoor eggplant can keep producing with ongoing care. Prune after harvesting to encourage new growth and more fruit. Remove yellow or unhealthy leaves for better air circulation. Support heavy branches with a stake or small tomato cage. Stick to your watering, feeding, and lighting routine. Learn your plant's rhythms for the best results. Share your journey and recipes with others. Grow a community, not just a plant. It's about more than food, it's about connection and joy. From seed to harvest, you've created something beautiful. Share your successes and inspire others to start their own indoor garden. Every home has a story. Let yours include a living, growing element. Get your hands a little dirty and grow a story that's all your own. Thanks for joining me. Can't wait to see what you grow.